Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? So today we discuss the matter of regions of the world, how they are linked or divided. Regions of the world, they are linked and divided. So essential understanding. Number one, the cultural difference can be linked or divided the regions. The culture is the main factor which can link or divide the region from one another. Language is also, how can language link or divided this region, we will understand. Think about some languages around the world and where they are found. Sindhi, Urdu, English, Spanish, Chinese, these are languages. The Arab world. The Arab world is a cultural region that is unified by the Arabic language. This region is found in North Africa and Middle East. Some countries in the Arab world are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Syria, Egypt, Algeria, Libya, Tunisia, Yemen and Oman. This is the map of Arab world. North Africa and the Middle East. The following countries have many Muslim but Arabic is not a major language, including Iran, Indonesia, Turkey, Pakistan and Afghanistan. They are the Muslim countries but the language is different. Hispanic America is a region that is unified by language. The major language in this region is Spanish. Some countries that are in this region are Mexico, Venezuela, Argentina, Peru, Chile, Ecuador, Colombia, Bolivia and all of the countries in Central America except Belize. This is the Hispanic map. Hispanic America. The following countries are not part of Hispanic America, including Haiti, Jamaica, Belize and Brazil. In Brazil the major language is Portuguese because Brazil was sometime colony of Portugal. There are more people who speak Portuguese in Brazil than the Portugal. Canada is a good example of a country that is divided by language. In the province of Quebec, Canada, there are many people who speak French. The rest of the people in Canada speak English. Quebec has tried to break away from Canada several times because the people feel they have different cultural characteristics. Switzerland is a good example of country that has multi languages, but the country is still unified. Some of the languages spoken in Switzerland are Germany, officially 63.7%, French officially 20.4%, and Italian officially 6.5%. English as a world language. English is a language that has become an international language of business and finance. As the economic power of the China grow, it is possible that Chinese may be replace English in upcoming days. Ethnic heritage. Examples of countries or regions that have experienced ethnic conflict. The Balkan, former Yugoslavia, Rwanda and Cyprus. Key vocabulary: ethnicity, ethnic cleansing, genocide, balkanization, nation, still stateless nation. Balkan Peninsula. The Balkan Peninsula has many different ethnic groups such as Serbs, Croats, Bosnians and Albanians. The region has experienced ethnic conflict for thousands of years. The most recent conflict lasted from 1992 to 1995 when Serbia invaded Bosnia. Thousands of Bosniaks were killed by Serbian and Croatian force because they were a different ethnic and regional group, religious group, sorry. This is the Balkan Peninsula. Rwanda. Rwanda is a small country in East Africa with two major ethnic groups, the Hutu and the Tutsi. In 1994, the Hutu controlled military and militia group began killing Tutsis. Over a period of 3 months, at least 80,000 Tutsis were murdered in one of the worst genocide in the history. Cyprus is an island in eastern Mediterranean Sea. The country is divided into two countries based on ethnicity. One country is primarily Turkish and other is primarily Greek. This is the Cyprus. This is the National Administration Buffer Zone, United Nations. This is the United Kingdom sovereign based area. The northern area of the buffer zone administered by Turkish Cyprus. The area of south buffer zone administered by Greek Cyprus. Ethnic heritage. Example of the countries or region that have many ethnic groups but are unified, like United States of America, Switzerland, and Pakistan also have many ethnic groups but is united. The United States of America is a good example of a country that has multiple ethnic groups but is stable. The major ethnic group in the United States are white 79%, black 30%, Asian 5%. The US Census Bureau does not include Hispanic because it considers Hispanic to mean a person of Latin America descent, which means they could be of many different ethnic groups such as Cuban, Mexican, or Puerto Rican. Switzerland has remained unified despite having several ethnic groups. The ethnic groups in Switzerland are as follow: 65% German, 18% French, 10% Italian. Ethnic heritage. Example of countries that have a single ethnic group. Number 1, Korea. There are few Chinese. Number B, Japan. 98.5% Japanese, 5% Korean, 4% Chinese, and around 20,000 Brazilians of Japan origin. Religion unifying force. Religion can serve as a unifying force for entire region where most people follow the same religion. See PowerPoint on religion for more details. Religious diversity force. There are religious conflict in following areas: the Kashmir conflict between Hindus and Muslims. Number B, Northern Ireland conflict between Protestant and Catholic. Number C, Jerusalem, Jews, Christians and Muslims all claim it as holy city. Kashmir. India and Pakistan both claim a region called Kashmir. Part of the problem is based on the religion. Pakistan is a Muslim country whereas India is a Hindu country. This is the map of Kashmir. Now some part of the Kashmir is occupied by China. Northern Ireland. The Northern Ireland is a part of United Kingdom. The United Kingdom refers to Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland. The country is about evenly divided between Protestant and Catholics. The Protestants want to remain part of UK and the Catholic want to be part of Ireland. Protestant and Catholic formed gangs in Belfast and would kill each other. The Catholic also bombed the government building and police station. The violence was so bad in Belfast they constructed large walls to separate neighborhood. Since then both sides have signed a peace agreement. The peace wall. Morals in Belfast. Jerusalem. Christians consider Jerusalem to be holy because Jesus was crucified there. Jews consider Jerusalem to be holy because their temple was located there. Muslims consider